everyone, welcome to Longarming by Jaclyn. So this is installment 3 of block 2, which is our wonky improv curves. So if the cuts seem a little rough and weird, this was meant to be shot as one video and it was insanely long. So it's been broken into 3, and this is 3, which is our stack and scramble. So for the next technique I would like you to try is get any even number of units. So we did it with 2. You can try with 4 or even 6. Actually, let me swap to this guy. You can do this with an odd number of fabric slices, but when you do your shuffle and sew, you'll always end up with an odd man out. So when I did this technique and I had 2 slices and I cut 1 curve, I ended up with 2 blocks that are like mirror images of each other. Not mirror images, but the complement. So my peach is with my teal is with my peach, and that's the only combinations I can get. When you stack up multiple even numbers, then you can shuffle and assort and get a lot more combinations out of this. And you can also take more than 1 cut. So you can make your random curve here. I know that didn't cut because I didn't hear it. And try not to let your fabric shift on you. You want a good sharp blade. Do as I say, not as I do, apparently today. Ooh, the worst. Switch to the other one. Oh, way better blade there. Random curve. And I could go for 1 in the middle, but I think I like just 3. So then when I go to make my assortment, I can have a lot more variety and scrappiness without repeating the same combinations across my blocks. So, actually I kind of like this one. So you will notice this piece of fabric was actually upside down, but now that I've cut it, I cannot flip it over. So it is what it is. Apparently we're using a softer, more pastel version of that fabric. Who do I want on this side? So by using multiple sheets of fabric stacked and making multiple cuts, there's a lot of quick and rapid mix and match that you can do to increase the scrappiness across your set. If you're enjoying this video so far, please like and subscribe to our channel to see more of this joy sewing series. And if you would give us a comment, that would help the channel out a lot so we can do more free series like joy sewing. So I hope you enjoyed our block 2, which is Scrappy Improv Curves. Whether you're doing a wavy 4-patch, whether you're doing a stack and scramble with as many cuts as you like, whether you're cutting off the corner in this sort of drunkard's path reminiscent block, or keeping it simple with just a single left twix, right twix curved block.